Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will talk about altashkeel. Altashkeel, it means something somehow like vowels. Let's see. Bismillah. When we say in English, for, far, feel, as we say in English, it's okay, we will talk back. Wait. In Arabic, altashkeel, it means that something somehow like vowels help us to pronounce, help us to know the real meaning of the word. Altashkeel is just four shapes. Let's see. The first one is a. Its name is fatha. A, fatha, we will pronounce it a. The second is u. It is small waw. In Arabic we know the letter waw. It is small waw, woo. Fatha, a. Dhamma, u. Try to pronounce after me, please. Kasra, it is written under the line. This is the line of writing. Al-kasra, I. We wrote it under the line. I. Kasra, I. Fatha, a. Dhamma, u. Kasra, I. The one before the last is sukoon. Sukoon. It is consonant. Sukoon. The last one is shadda. Shadda. Let's say it again. A fatha. U dhamma. I kasra. Sukoon, consonant. We don't pronounce any of them. We will inshallah say the example. Ashadda. Ashadda, we will talk about it. As we say in English, far. Let's see that. Example. This is ba in the first of the word. If I use it with al-fatha, ba. Ba. This is ba in the middle of the word. Let's say u. Bu. Ba. Bu. Ba. Bu. Al-kasra, let's say ba in the last of the word, bi. Ba wa fatha, ba. Ba wa dhamma, bu. Ba in the last of the word, kasra, bi. Ba in the last of the word and sukoon. B. B. We don't use any of this, any pronounce, just consonant. B consonant. Al-shadda, it means when let's see al-shams. Al-shams. Shadda and fatha. It means the sheen, the letter sheen, sh. It means that the letter sheen is just two sheens. The first one has sukoon. The second one has the shape beside shadda. If it was fatha or dhamma or kasra, it is the one that we write. Like how to pronounce it. الشمس الشمس. When we has al-shadda here, it means that this letter be under. The letter under the shadda means two letters, one of them consonant, one of them has one of these shapes. طبعا without, of course, without the consonant. السكون, it means consonant. Like that, see, you see. Far as I say fa. For as I say fu. Feel, fi as I say fi. You know, ba, bu, bi, fa, fu, fi. It is something like vowels, as you know, as you see. Let's talk about another thing, that this altashkeel, we use it with letters like that. Besides, the Arabic language, we read every letter that we write. We read every letter that we write. Nothing is not written in Arabic. Let's see. Al-shams. Al-shams, it means the. Shams, sun. Al-shams, the sun. Another example. Al-qamar. Al-qamar. The qamar, moon. Al-qamar, we read every letter that we write. Al-qamar, in all Arabic, every letter that we see, that we write, we read, we pronounce. Al-qamar. I want to speak about something else in this video. That is, if I has, let's say al-qamar, this letter is the letter in the first of the word. This letter ra is the last of the word. Every letters inside, between the first letter and the last letter, we called it in the middle of the word. If it was 7 letters, or it was 8 letters, 5 letters, whatsoever, all these letters are in the middle of the word. The first one is the letter in the first of the word. The last one is the last in the word. The letters between them are in the middle of the word. So I wrote them in the second shape of the letter. You know, the shape of the letters we talk about in the last few videos. You can see it again, pronounce it again. Now I want just to tell you that the last review, a, fatha, u, dhamma, I, kasra, sukun, consonant, we don't pronounce anything. Shadda, it means 2 letters together. The first one has sukun. The second one has the shape of one of those 3 shapes. Let's say that's enough today. That's enough. Try to pronounce that, try to understand that. Inshallah, next video we will talk about words, we will talk about grammars, we will talk about, inshallah, about the everyday, the Arabic of the everyday life. We will learn this sentence, how to structure it together in the easiest way as possible. Good luck for everybody. It is an honor to me to subscribe my channel. Ring the bell, please, share,